Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking bakery Facebook post. So if you're trying to create a bakery post in Canva, this video is for you. So the best part of Canva is that you don't have to create your post from scratch or from a blank page. What you can do is simply pick a template you like, modify it with your own branding and details, and your post will be ready within a few minutes. So, go to the search bar in Canva and type Bakery Facebook Post. We are creating a post for Facebook. That's why we have typed it. And if you want to create a post for Instagram, you can simply type Instagram instead of Facebook. Just hit Enter, and after that, browse the templates and go to the list to view all the templates. And now you can see designs ranging from minimal to professional looking. You can pick whichever one you like and modify it however you want. So for now, maybe we can go with this one. This one looks good, and it's free. I'll just click on it. You can explore more if you don't like any of them. Pick one and click on Customize this template. Now you can see that I have full access. I can do whatever I like. So, starting with the text. If you want to change or add text, just double-click and enter your own text. And if you want to explore more features and customize the text, you can change the font. If you want to resize your text, you can do that as well. And if you want to change the color, you can change it. If you want to make it bold or italic, you can do that too. In a similar way, you can explore the text features. And after that, if you want to change the background color, simply click on the background and you'll see the background color option. Just click on it and you can change the color to any one you like. And now if you want to replace this image with your own, go to Uploads and upload an image from your PC. Right now, I'm choosing a random image from Pinterest. Just to demonstrate, I'm searching for it, and like this, I'll just copy it. And I will paste it here. Then I'll just remove this one. And what I'll do is adjust it and move it into place. And I will just upload the image that I uploaded from my PC. And like this, I will adjust the image. If you want to add an image like this, you can do so. If you want to add elements or icons, you can add them in the same way. Go to Elements and search for Bakery, or you can search for any other element. And go to Graphics. And now you can see that there are many options for bakery graphics. You can pick whichever one you like, such as this one, or add one like this as well. In a similar way, you can add your own images or elements of any kind. And in a similar way, you can add your own logo, branding colors, background, elements, images, details, and information. Everything you need. When you're done modifying or customizing your design, rename the file, go to Share, select Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format. Just download the file, and your bakery Facebook post is ready to upload to Facebook. You created it yourself in just a few minutes. Enjoy designing and creating in Canva. Thank you for watching.